Hey bro, may I ask you a question? Yeah, of course, why not? How many crows are there in the city? It's a very tricky question. I don't know. And nobody gives answer to this question.
Then, another friend came and replied.
In the city, almost 21,523. How you know that? By count wisely. What you mean? I can't understand. Count the number of crows. If there are more, then the relatives of crows must be visiting them from another cities. If there are fewer, then the crows from our city must be visiting their relatives who are outside the city.